Haha, what's up? This is Dave Ferreira from Mass Capital LLC. And today I got a deal for all you flippers out there. All right. Fairhaven, Massachusetts. What a town. It's amazing what houses are selling for out there. All right. Crazy deal I got. I just won an auction. All right. Not too long ago for the rights to buy this house for $144,000. All right. We made an LLC. We were supposed to close. The bank needed 30 more days. I found some other opportunities. So my thoughts are, hey, let me give this great opportunity to somebody else. Okay. Now the way we're going to do this to save you money. All right. We're not going to do a double close. We have an LLC that we created specifically for this property, and we're going to give you the ability to buy the LLC. And with the LLC comes the rights to buy the property for 144. All right. $10,000. That's what we're asking. That's it. You take it, you buy it, you're done, you make your money. All right. So what can I tell you about the house? I really don't know anything about the house. I mean, to be honest, right? Because these auctions, you don't go inside, you look outside, you bid, you raise your hand, and you win. Okay, and you kind of get what you get. Definitely, you'll see in the pictures. From what I've seen on the exterior, you got a roof, you got siding, you got windows. Pretty typical. All right, it's not a lot of house inside. It's technically a two-family. I think it's like 1,100 square feet or something like that on the tax card. So it's a very small two-family. I think it's got it as a two-bedroom and a one-bedroom. All right. My thoughts are make it a 3-bed, 2-bath house. Okay. Do it up real nice. I'm going to show you some crazy comps in the neighborhood that I can't believe what things are selling for out there. I'm a broker. I do Fall River. I do New Bedford. I've been to Fairhaven a million times. It shocks me. And you'll see when I show you. Okay. So, that's it. So you have to close by, I think, the end of next month, like mid to late April or something like that. I'll give you all specifics. All right. And I can finance you. Okay. If you need money, we can finance you. All right. Great rates. All right. It's the whole deal set up. You just buy it, make money. That's it. So my ARV on this is 270 plus, and I'll show you why. I was conservative at 270. And when you see these comps, you're going to be like, holy wow. All right, guys, check out the comps. So directly across the street. All right. This one sold in May. All right. 2 beds, 1 bath, 700 square feet, guys, 215,000. All right. A little tiny shack. All right. Beautiful inside, but still. All right. 108 Center Street around the corner. This one sold in October. 3 beds, 1 bath, 1,000 square feet, $255,000. Cute on the outside, but look at the inside. Wicked old school. Still got 255. I'm telling you guys, this neighborhood is crazy. All right. Next up, 99 Center Street. This one's under contract. All right. 1,000 square feet, 3 beds, 1 bath, all remodeled inside. All right. 269.9. 38 days on the market, under contract. All right. This one should be closing tomorrow. It's supposed to close. So we'll see what it's sold for. All right. Next up, 65 Adams Street. Look at this house. Would you believe me if I told you this house is 4 beds, 1 bath, 840 square feet? 840 square feet. Like, where do you even fit 4 bedrooms? And this thing sold for $279.5 in 33 days on the market. 65 Adams Street. All right. Same street. Right, right around the corner. 65 Adams Street. All right. 279.5. Look at this thing. It's wicked old inside. All right. Next up, 74 Chestnut, 314.9. All right. This is 2 beds, 1 bath, 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom house, guys, for $315,000. I mean, it's a good size 2-bedroom, but still, Jesus. Look at that. It's nice inside. Only 4 pictures. All right, and the last comp in the neighborhood, 75 Chestnut. This one sold in September, 1,300 square feet, 3 beds, 1 bath. All right, $330,000, guys. Fairhaven is no joke. All right, look at these comps. It's beautiful inside. I mean, this is what you're going to do to the house. You know what I mean? You got to tear everything out anyways, most likely. All right?